Check, check, check. 1, 2, and 2. And we are live. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And thank you for jumping on into the live stream. Hold on one second. Okay. All right. Let's move forward. Trying to get some music playing. Having a bit of issues with the music for whatever reason. But let me see if I can get some music going. Yeah, just the internet. I'm traveling, and you never know what kind of internet you're going to get. And my daughter wants to watch TV while I'm trying to stream. And it's an issue. I've been struggling, guys. Pulled into New York City last night at 12 a.m. Got to the Airbnb, which had no air conditioning. And the owner's now threatening to kick me out. I'm going through so much stuff right now. It's like they're trying to stop me today. Some days are the hardest days ever. Today's one of those days. I'm on 4 hours of sleep. The Airbnb is treating me like garbage. I want to put, look at this. Did you contact Airbnb? I warned you, if you contacted them, I'll throw you out. I'm gonna air this person out, man. Literally gonna throw me out because you don't have air conditioning on a 78 degree at night, right? So I'm sitting there watching my wife's and kids sweat while, yeah. So anyway, a little bit of a reality TV show here going on. And then when I try to get the music playing, it turns off one of the monitors. I don't understand. Whenever I try to use Stream Beats, or I got this new laptop, whenever I use Stream Beats, it turns the monitor off. No idea why it's doing that as well. All right. Let me play some music. Let's get into brass tacks. Kick it with me, guys. I appreciate it. Hopefully the music will save me. Only the music can save me at this point, you know. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Taking a look at KAVA as it's starting to bounce on up out of this ascending triangle and doing a retest. All coins don't care anymore. You can see they're starting to push up. Nobody cares about Bitcoin not doing its thing. Nobody cares. Everyone wants to push it up to the limit. They can't stop you. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate. And then yesterday we got no views. That got me so depressed. I almost freaking jumped off a freaking bridge. I tell you what, man, some days it looks like I'm the most confident, the lifer's the man, but some days it's tough, man. Some days it's tough. When everyone's asking for answers, some days it's tough. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let me pop out that chat and see what's cracking in the chat. I specifically lugged a whole monitor over here, and now the monitor's black. I'm never on vacation. My wife's father died, and she wants to see her dead father's grave, you know? So we went all the way to New York, honestly, and the Airbnb got no air conditioning. Like, I work too hard, you know? I work way too hard to be in an Airbnb with no air conditioning. Like, and then to be threatened to kick out, and that person's threatened to kick me out in the streets. It's like, come on, man. Like, you're threatened to kick out your tenant because you didn't provide air conditioning? Are you kidding me? In the summer? Yeah, it's insane, man. Anyway, no one cares. No one cares. They just want to make money. They want the coins. They want the charts. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. I'm so blessed to have this position in life. I'm so blessed to have my YouTube channel. Yesterday's 300 views really threw me off. Like, the channel's getting 2,000 views, 1,800, 1,700 views every single video. And then yesterday, no views? I don't understand why. Makes no sense. Shout out to T. Holmes. Yeah, I need to be cheered up, guys. Today, 1 out of 100 days, it's tough, man. Today, I'm on no sleep. And I got my crew looking up to me. I got to get all the calls out. We got to do our thing. I got no air conditioning and a burning hot day. And then I'm getting threatened to be kicked out on the streets. I want to put her first and last name out here, but I won't do it. I'm going to blast her out, though. I will show her Airbnb, though. And I'll tell you never to rent this piece of garbage ever again. Worst host ever. Worst host on Airbnb ever. Blast her out, 12,000 people. She has no idea I'm a YouTuber. That's another thing. You don't know who you're messing with. Always treat people with respect. You don't know who you're messing with. You don't know who you're talking to. Popping off the mouth. Phantom continuing to boom up to the upside. It wants 105, and it's going to get it no matter what. I mean, booming. These are all the calls from last night. Phantom booming to the upside. We gave you Keeper. KP3R booming to the upside. No stop loss. Already hit the target there at 41% gains. Bang. Banging on them. Phantom. We talked about FTT. We know it follows the Solana moves. Get into FTT. We talked about this. Look, I gave you accumulation buy zone right there. Popped out the buy zone. Boom. VRA we talked about. Gave you. Didn't hit the stop loss. Popping up to the upside. So, had you been in the Patreon, you would have been in basically the top 5 coins today. VeChain as well. We gave you VeChain as well as it popped out of this as well. Look, there's the call right there for VeChain. No stop loss got hit and everything continuing to the upside. We nailed it yet again here at the Crypto Lifers Show. So, if that makes you excited, if you like being a part of a stream crew that just absolutely tears the face off the market, then come on in, jump on into the Crypto Lifers Show. You won't be disappointed. That's a BNB host needs to get slept. Charts have to up and down. Such is life. Get it? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. Such is life. We're gonna make it through. By the end of the stream, I'm gonna be feeling so great, so happy. We're gonna move it through. Shout out to the $4.99 super chat. Take a breath, relax, and keep on being so important to us all. Lifer Nation rules. Shout out to Cesar Lopez. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, man. For Airbnb upgrade. Thank you for the $10 low profile. Appreciate you, man. What's up, fam? Shout out to XRP user AC Lee, definitely popping on. All can be paid. All can be paid. Now the owner was on some ish. That's too hot for that air here yesterday. I really go and find the video by clicking on the link by the Telegram. Shadow ban in effect. Yeah, they're doing shadow banning me for whatever reason. I'm dealing with it all, man, all the time, every single day. Computer tried to take me down. Had to fight through to get my 116 views, 64 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers today? I'm going to be very, very adamant about that. I don't take a day off, man. Dash all-time high around 1,400. It's true. Lifer is the man, and no matter what, we will always be here for you, the way you are for us. Love you, brother. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate you, man. The room looks good. How come no AC? LOL. Right? I want to sign up for the Patreon, but want to use crypto. Then send cryptolifers@gmail.com. And we'll get you into the live stream immediately. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Did you hear about ICP NFT? They will give it away for free today. I did hear about that. Looks like it could be an interesting idea, interesting concept for sure. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. How's the stream coming? Remember, people, help save someone by hitting the like button. Larry, email Crypto Lifers. Lifers with the S. Crypto Lifers. All right. Let's pop out that chat. A little harder for me to watch the chat now that one of my monitors went down. Was the whole point of having 3 monitors. I tell you what, baby. I tell you what. Might need my glasses today. No sleep. Sammy needs the glasses, man. I'm going to go do my hair, put some water on my face. I'm going to start fresh. Get ready for your super chats. Throw some super chats in there. We're going to go through a bunch of awesome stuff. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin total dominance, Bitcoin total 2 Bitcoin dominance, and see what's going on. Sound music, all good, bro. On a roll, boss. Hey, sorry for your loss. Good morning. Shout out to Chad Smith. All right, this is my favorite song. Might as well move with my favorite song. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 119 people, 79 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so V-Chain pumping up to the upside, looking absolutely beautiful inside of a cup and handle with a giant target. V-Chain wants to go all the way back to 20 cents. So highly likely we'll see V-Chain up at 20 cents. So looking at that as well, cup and handle, all is well. We take a look at that 4 hour just getting started and coming. But to me, it's all about the daily. That daily on all these coins is ready to rock, and it's just starting to move. Having long-term positions in these altcoins at the moment, this is the time. This is the key. There's times for everything, right? And this is the time to get busy. You can see the movement here. AVAX going to start moving. Front going to start moving. Everything getting ready on that daily time frame. So you take a look at AVAX on the daily time frame. We've seen this many times before, this falling wedge. 68% chance of a break to the upside. And my, oh my, what a wonderful day. AVAX. And remember, this is a brand new chain with a whole new ecosystem. People going crazy for it. There's going to be so many new things coming out all the time. I'm telling you right now. I'll take a look at X markets. I want to take a look at SOLANAX. I can look at CoinTrader Pro actually for that. CoinTrader Pro, we'll take a look at SOLANAX. Okay. Solana X. And, you know, I think it's going to do just like ADAX. Something to put on your radar for sure. And it did, just like I thought it did. We were looking at it yesterday at 20 cents. It would go all the way to 73, do a 3X, and then take a bit of a dump. But, you know, not to be worried about, to me, these new chain coins on this exchange can pop. That's a shoulder, head and shoulder, though. Will it come down even more? Interesting to see that. Let's take a look at ADAX. Did ADAX also dump? Makes me think ADAX dumped. It took a bit of a dump from 231 all the way back to 173, but it's now holding another area of support and resistance. Look, previous support back to resistance. These are new coins that just came out. We were looking at them at 23 cents. In 6 days, this thing went up 10x. Unbelievable. Shout out to Jason Malik. Thank you for you and your team for changing my family's lives. MATIC update. Thank you so much, Jason Malik. Appreciate you so much. We'll take a look at a MATIC update for MATIC. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay, so what I looked at MATIC is it's coiling. It's getting ready. It's getting very, very tight, and the daily's ready for another move to the upside. Last time we had a daily low like that, massive push up for MATIC. It went all the way from 34 up to $22.50. Like, that's what we're talking about. Could we be at the next 34 all the way back up to $5 doing a 5X? I'll show you where the measured move is for MATIC. Again, I am not a financial advisor. Nothing I do on this channel should be taken as financial advice. I'm also not an investment advisor. Per code 203, section A 11 of the SEC code, I am not an investment advisor, and I will not manage your finances for you in any way, shape, or form. Okay? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. You got a nice spot in NYC? I got a like an Airbnb in Rockaway Beach, right near the water. Like I can walk right to the water, but the Airbnb, the AC wasn't. We get in last night. AC's not working. Air conditioner set at 77 and locked, so you can't change it. So no matter what, you're at 77 degrees in here. No matter what you do. And when it's 80 degrees and muggy, and you got to go to sleep, it's not fun, right? So I've spent the last night barely able to sleep, arguing with an Airbnb person who's threatening to kick me out now. saying, did you contact Airbnb? I'm going to kick you out. It's like, dude, why would you put someone in to a place without air conditioning? Like, that's on you. Like, that's on you, you know? Anyway, trying to stay positive. No one cares. You guys want the charts. You don't care about my Airbnb crap. But let's take a look at what I'm seeing here for the daily for BTC. So if for MATIC. So if MATIC can hold this level here at 130, that's a key level of support and resistance for it here. MATIC at 130, okay? She's texting me now, threatening to kick me out again. Like, this is insane. Like, and it's like, when you know I could stay anywhere. Like, I'm not, like, anyway, so we take a look at MATIC. Now, I did see shoulder, head, and shoulder in this little area, and I was like, man, does MATIC have legs? MATIC could express itself down a little bit. It could kind of be like, you know what? That's why we look at the 4 hour and the 1 hour, right? 1 hour is extremely oversold. Tells me that MATIC's got to cool down a little bit or stay sideways. So you're watching this pop, but MATIC's got to go sideways now as it resets. So all eyes on MATIC. It's in a bit of a funky channel. My idea is this: if you hold MATIC for 2-3 months, to me, and the market moves, it's going to come to fruition. So it's like, it is what it is. You know, I'm personally holding MATIC. You know, and you do whatever you think. It is coiling up and running out of room, and the daily has a lot of options, right? So the daily says we're going to blast off to the upside. Interesting, to say the least, right? I like MATIC. I'm still in a long with MATIC, and I'm not out of it. However, Phantom outplayed it. A lot of other coins were far better performers than MATIC, all right? Thank you for everyone being here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Chi, ready for 40% more. Give me her info. I'll tell her what's up. Shout out to Jason Malik. Yeah, hey, bro. Hyped to be part of the Crypto Lifer community. Emailed Crypto Lifers a few days back. Waiting for the reply. So this person emailed us and has been waiting for the reply for 2 days? Like, I don't get it. Like, I don't understand. Like, what? Did you check the spam, man? You got to check that spam. I think you're not checking the spam. And you're missing lifers. I got to come down on my team, man. My team's got to get, like, they got to work as hard as the lifer works, man. I can't have people waiting to get in the Patreon. That's unacceptable. 93 likes. Thank you. 141 global lifer fam. Likes truly help the lifer community. Chat is so dope. Keep your head up, brother. God bless you and your family. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at Chi. I'm very interested to see what's going on with Chi. I knew it was going to bounce off the bottom, but how much of a bounce and how big can it go? I mean, it was very, very low. Came all the way down to 13, only popped back up to 17, about a 25% gain. But then, 4 hours also getting extended. Not much of a move for Chi. You can see Chi just continuing on a downsend. Like, it's just kind of like, this may be a long-term hold for Chi, trying to find its way. I would love to say that it bottomed here, but there's no really telling. Double bottom possible. We could look at that. That 4 hour has some momentum left in it. 1 hour needs to come back down. It didn't get much love. So, no, I mean, Chi's not really looking like the call right now. All-time high on Phantom. Let's take a look at FTM, my baby, man. That's the one thing that's making me so happy today. 96, baby. Phantom going for the dollar. Phantom going for it. And here's my measured move for Phantom at $1.28. The next move right there is $1.09. We're calling these moves for Phantom. Yesterday I said Phantom's got legs to the upside. You can see. Why did I know Phantom was going to go to the upside? How did I figure this out? Well, number one, I saw that when we go up and go sideways while the stochastics reset, that is bullish momentum hidden inside of price action. Telling you that we're going to see a massive jump to the upside for Phantom. Congratulations to anyone got into Phantom. At this point, we did almost a 5x. I got into 18 and 17, 22, 25, 23. You saw me dollar cost average. I showed you exactly what I was doing. Again, not financial advice. Don't do anything I do in this channel, but I did show. This is a reality show. This channel is a reality show. I happen to be a technical analyst, so I show my reality as I do TA. That's it. And then we go over technical analysts. We go over technical analytics together. We find the ups and downs in the market. Getting indigestion now. I'm getting old, man. V-Chain was looking like it had legs. And yes, it does. About to eclipse half of its all-time high. Let's go look at the elephant in the room, Bitcoin. The crypto TA surgeon. Shout out to Jesse B up in the spot. We love you, BB. Thank you, Trent. FTM $1. FTM to $10. Laugh my ass off. Yo, it's gonna go to $10. Easy. Everyone's gonna look back and be like, dang, I knew it was at 27 cents. It was gonna go to 270. I see it at $27. 100x, man. Bitcoin forming an inverted head and shoulder in a pennant flag. Shout out to Ali Washala. Salam alaikum, my friend. In the midst of your troubles, you are still positive. This is what makes the enemy mad. Keep moving. Rune is poppin'. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, no matter what they do, no matter what happens, I will push forward because I am a soldier of God and I have hurt no man. And I know God will never allow another man to hurt me. For I am powerful and I am protected at all times. I know I'm protected. I know I am protected. I know I am protected. So I see Bitcoin in this bull pennant, just doing its thing, holding the bull pennant. Holding the bull pennant. Yeah, I got rid of the green screen for the day. It is what it is, but not too bad, right? No one really cares or notices. It actually looks like a fancy room. You can see my daughter, though, like, sitting there. Trying to put my head there so you don't see my daughter. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the live stream. Yeah, like, I'm crazy. I lugged, like, the green screen and all my lights just so I could superimpose myself. And I could have just done this the whole time, but I'm obsessive compulsive. Nice pad for real. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. You got a little balcony right there behind me. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin right now? All right. On the 1 hour, this is the channel. We finally can say this is the channel. You know, it definitely made a beautiful channel after long enough on Binance. At 47,300, had to hold 47K last night. So important. We got to that low at 46.6, and I said that's possible. Double bottomed out, and then we moved. Now, what I want to see is, you know, just kind of sit inside the zone. Just sit inside this chop. And I see Bitcoin sitting inside this chop until it decides to pop. It's the music that really got me in the good mood. The music that's got me out of the zone, out of the funk. So music can really change your whole mood, man. You just put on some music, you start vibing with the people that you love. How could you be in a bad mood? I'm here with the Crypto Lifers every single day, man. Shout out to all my peoples on the live stream. Good morning. It's been a month since I've been here, but I will always be a lifer. Shout out to Master Chief. Appreciative of your energy, my dude. God bless you and the fam. Master Chief, thank you so much for coming here to the live. Appreciate you and your family. Thank you for coming on in. You're my family. I am your family. Music is always good on this channel. Shout out to Frankie, Legend. Appreciate each and every one of you. Music is life. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So we're looking at Bitcoin, right? And all is well at 47,320. Bitcoin holding pretty nicely. Okay. So 1 hour's low, though, needs to come to the downside. So this is what I'm seeing. Actually, let me tweak this. Let me tweak the zone. So there we have it. Top of the channel for Bitcoin. Easily. Top of the channel for BTC. Up, down, coming to the downside. All right. There we go. Phantom about to break an all-time high. That's wild. I think it already did break an all-time high recently. I really think it did. So here, Bitcoin's got to come to the downside. The rest of the coins don't care, but Bitcoin's going to fall down here, come back down to the bottom of the pattern, and test 46,000 one more time. Come up, down one more time, double bottom, and then she gone, baby, she gone. So highly likely this is the case for BTC. So look for Bitcoin to kind of flail up and down, play some games. Makes sense for Bitcoin, right? 4 hours still low, though. That could propel us up out of the channel. So right now, 1 hour come down, and then the 4 hour and the 1 hour ready to go. That could be our last catalyst right there for a move to the upside. So watch, all eyes on Bitcoin. I'm literally going to put a line right here. I'm going to right click an alert line right there, because when Bitcoin hits it, I'm going to be taking a look at it very, very closely. Alert right there. Also put an alert here on the 1 hour stochastic. When Bitcoin comes down here on the stochastic RSI, I'll get a little inclination that it's reset, and then it may be time to look at BTC. But as Bitcoin goes sideways, it's going to be great for the altcoins as they continue to pump to the upside. Let's take a look at coin market cap and see what's happening. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Lifer fam is strong, bro. Beats, how you doing, my man? Still holding those dots, I hope. Shout out to Trent Osborne. Shout out to all my peoples, man. After Bitcoin, you mind schooling us on projects that have cooked 4 hour, but pulling bull pennants and low stochastics in the 1 hour, like POLK, and pre-USDT. Sure, we'll take a look at pre and POLK USD. What do you do? What do you do in that situation? So, what's hot right now? Basic attention token booming. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies. What's the biggest mover on the day in the markets? Phantom up 27% in 24 hours. We gave it to you. FTT up 29%. We gave it to you. Revan, I've been looking at it, didn't give it to you. Elron, we talked about it. VeChain, I gave it to you. Right? Waves, gave it to you. So look, we gave you the top 2 winners. You were in them if you were a Patreon. In the whole market, you know, despite the little crappy little ones, you know, micro caps and all that fun stuff. But yeah, FTX token doing damage. Only a matter of time. In the last 7 days, look, Phantom is up 93% in the last week. The biggest gainer in the game. And we talked about Phantom over and over again. We've been waiting for this time. We've been waiting for this moment. And now the time has come for the Phantom people, the Phantom Maxis, to take their state front and center, to take stage front and center. It's like it's Phantom, baby. It's Phantom. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. All-time ham for Phantom. Don't matter, dude. Phantom gonna do a Solana. Phantom's gonna do unbelievable things. Shout out to everyone here. Let's take a look at Revan, VeChain, Waves booming, Synthetics, another one of my coins up pretty nicely on the day here. Dash booming, XRP back to 120. It wants more. Polygon MATIC at 143. Down on the week, as you can see. Right? Not a strong weekly coin. You're in finance, but everything up today. Cello did unbelievable 94% on the move. Okay. So, we had an amazing week as lifers. We really did. And accounts are booming to the upside. What a great day to be alive. Phantom booming to the upside. What do I got to worry about? I made enough to pay for this Airbnb for a week in one day. It was what it was, right? So, it is what it is, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, let's get into... let's look at POLK and pre real quick from my man, Kevin Calderonster, man. Appreciate you, Kevin. Thank you so much. Thank you for the $20 super chat from Jason Malik. Appreciate you more than you would ever know. Thank you for the Airbnb upgrade. Shout out to the low profile 110. Take a breath, relax. Keep on being you. So important. So important to us all. Lifer Nation rules. Shout out to Cesar Lopez. Thank you so much, Cesar. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on to the Lifer Nation. Bumping T Holmes, Vibes +1. Shout out to Marin C, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming on. It was really nice hearing your voice, getting to know a couple of you guys on the tutoring session yesterday. I had an unbelievable time. I hope you all did too as well. You know, what a better idea. I usually tutor someone for $100 for an hour. Yesterday, you got a 2-hour tutoring session for $100. So not only do the tutorings get a better deal, I give myself a better deal too, because then I get to include more people in a 2-hour session. Then I don't have to do as many tutoring sessions, and I tutor more people, and I make more money. It comes hand in hand. Unbelievable. So I really like the Tuesday tutoring sessions from 3 to 5. Every week, I'm going to be doing them from 2 hours. And then we'll even move on to other sessions that are group sessions as well. After Bitcoin, you mind schooling us on projects that have cooked the 4-hour, but putting bull pennants and low stokes in the 1-hour, like POLK and pre. Let's take a look at pre-search. Let's take a look at POLK, and let's get into it. As Bitcoin pumps to 47,400, but highly likely it's going to come down to the downside. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Actually, no, 15-minute is low. Interesting. Tells me that Bitcoin actually may be going to pump out of this channel. 15-minute right there. Wants to go up to the upside. Let's see if it could, maybe it just gets up to the top of the pattern one more time and then we come back down. There we go. Anyway, let's take a look at pre-search. Shout out to everyone on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. So we talked about pre-search inside this cup and handle. Only a matter of time until it busted up to the upside. We looked at it on August 25th when it was about 4 pennies. It almost did, it went all the way to 10 cents. Did an entire double up. So you would have made one double up right there on pre-search. We talked about this coin. We went over the cup and handle. Went over it. I found out when it really first really came out and started kind of looking into it. And this thing just continuing to boom. So now you look at it, right? And you look at the 4-hour. 4 hours cooked, right? It could double top up here. That's something you want to think about. But for the most part, 4 hours cooked, it's got to come back to the 21-day moving average. It has to. So, look for the price action to kind of consolidate here like this or consolidate to the downside. One or the other, and then play with the 21-day. I wouldn't touch this until the 21-day on the 4-hour gets kissed again. 1 hour's low, right? And about to touch. So, here's the idea. I get what you're saying now. Like, it's confusing even to me. It's like, well, if the 1 hour's low and the 4 hour's high, then what are you supposed to do? So the idea is this. This will come and hit. You may get the 1 hour pop. So you might get one more push up of this measured move, right? You take that to the upside. Once that's cooked, then the bigger pullback will come, because then you have the 1 hour. So yeah, when the 4 hours cooked and the 1 hour still gives you room, it doesn't mean you can't play the 1 hour. It just tell you in the back of your mind, you know that the call's not as strong as it could have been if the 4 hour was low and had momentum to the upside. You know what I'm saying? We take a look at Link, USDT, booming to the upside. And you can see these levels. Look, rejection, support, rejection. You're like, if we can break this level, we'll be gone, and we do at 28. Link all the way back up. And look at this call for Link. Boomed all the way up. We made it. We nailed it. And look, I see Link going up even more to the upside. Let's take a look at the bigger picture for Link. It's funny. I know so many other coins, and I could have used my Chainlink Cash for something else. But at the same time, it's just nice to have a bag of Link and know that it's sitting there doing its thing. So all the small caps did their thing. Now it's time for the big caps, large caps, to move in a considerable manner. Let's take a look inside this cup and handle for Link. He wants to do some serious damage. And there you have Link about to boom. And those are our targets, measured moves of each of the positions, but that sends Link back to 44. And then once Link reclaims 50, it's gone. It's gone, right? And to me, I don't see us just reclaiming highs and then dumping down to the downside. I see us reclaiming highs and then the entire market just going crazy. Like people that were like, wow, I thought that market was done. Then when it crashed that high, they're going to be like, wow, it is another market. And then people are going to flood in like you read about. Shout out to everyone. Shout out to What's Up Papaya, T Holmes, Produce the Beats. The money's coming. What indicators do you use on your charts? I use the 5 MA moving averages, the 21, the 50, the 80, the 100, and the 200. I use the MACD, moving average convergence and divergence. I use the RSI, relative strength index, and the stochastics RSI. I have a bag of Umbrella. It's 18 million supply and only 2 million market cap. Classy Cladone. Understand that Umbrella is a good move. Highly likely. I like Umbrella personally. Umbrella is something that I think is going to be substantial. The only competition we have to Chainlink, right? And we talked about Umbrella. Look, up 50% on the call. Came back down for the double touch on the 4 hour, consolidating again, but getting ready for bigger moves, man. Umbrella just getting started. I see Umbrella in the measured move getting up 238%. Just the measured move of the target. Again, this is just educational, technical analysis. This isn't even. I don't own this coin. I'm not pushing this coin. I'm not telling you to buy this coin. I would never go over your portfolio for you and tell you what to buy or sell. I am not a financial advisor. I don't do those things. I don't want to do those things personally. I have no desire to take your money. I never take anyone's money. I won't take your money for any other reason. If anyone ever reaches out to you and acts like they're the crypto lifer and they ask you for money, it is not me. Okay? That's not me. I would never do such a thing. All right? I run an educational Patreon group where we teach people how to trade technical analysis. And that's strictly what we do every single day. And that's it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. All right. So VeChain. It's just funny. All the calls that I put out, and I tried not to overload the Patreon last night. All the calls played out very, very nicely. We talked about Ferrum Network coming up out of this cup. It hit that target. Another target here. Bouncing into the stop, though. Let's see. That one did get stopped out. And there's a trade that did not work out. I love showing trades that didn't work out just so everyone knows that, yes, as a trader, you will lose. You will lose. And if you don't think you're going to lose, then you're not ready to be a trader, right? So get ready to take an L if you're ready to take a win. The idea is just to make sure your wins are bigger than your L's. You don't even have to win more. You just have to make sure when you win more. That's all. You can win 3 out of 10 trades and still be a profitable trader. A lot of people do not realize that. Ferrum at the bottom of the bottom of the channel with the 4 hour pointing up to the upside. A lot of other coins are not at the bottom of their channels on the 4 hour. So Ferrum looking pretty sweet. The one for the day, Ferrum Network. And Ferrum's a beautiful IDO project, decentralized, ready to go. And this is the long tool that I'm showing you how to use right here. Just the long tool, just showing you how to use these tools on the educational side of TradingView. And you can kind of slide right there, boom, you know, stop losses always be below previous highs. You got to use your support and resistance to find your stop loss. If you're not, you are doing yourself a disservice. And that looks like Ferrum Network can go up 100%. That's pretty amazing, right? Nice little call for Ferrum. 4 hour looking pretty sweet as well. Ferrum Network, baby. Ferrum Network. I see what's not hot, so you can find out what's hot later on. And we all jumped on the calls and just jumped in with, oh, buy this, buy that. It's not the case. We want to make sure that we're getting into the alts that are hot. So what's going to be hot for fall? You just jumped into the channel. You have no idea. You want to know what's going on. You're into cryptocurrency, you know? And, you know, it's all about the new chains. AVAX is going to have its day in the sun. It's going to follow Solana and get big. Anything that has its own chain that's going to get big, KAVA is going to continue to do well. KAVA mainnet. Shout out to the KAVA team doing well. Appreciate each and every one of you. Kanalawa, that tiny little microcap gem in NFT space, which doing a little bit of deal with Reef right there. Pretty cool little idea there. Kanalawa network, right? Exchanges. Need to have a KuCoin. You got to have a KuCoin exchange. KuCoin will change the way you trade. Solana back to 115, consolidating now a little bit, and that's what's going to happen. Whenever you get this high on a chart, all right, and we hit my target, by the way. Here's another call on the channel. Nailed it. No stop loss got hit and nailed the call. 73% gains for Solana. Spank you. As we got the breakout of this basically bull pennant to the upside. So Solana hitting the pretty much hitting the exact target. Insane. Like the target was right there, 72. It went up 76%. Solana booming to the upside. And I love this because it's all about, you know, the wins, man, the wins. It's all about the wins. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. All right. 200 people watching, 134 likes. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on to the live stream. All right. Keep it coming. I want you guys to be interactive in the chat. Jump on into the chat. Let's have fun with it. Throw out an idea. I'll throw out an idea. We bounce off each other. Appreciate you, bro. Just saying thank you for all you do. Much love to Produce the Beats. Thank you so much, Produce the Beats. Appreciate you. We appreciate you. Shout out to Roddy Robinson. Thank you so much. Have you done TA and AGIX? It's Cardano's platform. Another one, AGIX, coming out. Funny, I bought more Doge on the retest this morning. I never thought I'd say that. Dent will launch their blockchain Q1 2021 as per their roadmap. I'm a fan. UBX has their own exchange. It's called Ubikiri. Okay, interesting. We'll take a look at UpBat. Send them super chats. Can you take a look? Can you do TA and YGG, please? Tap out ABB and ice machine. Fill the room. Tap out a Airbnb ice machine. Fill the room. Oh yeah, tap out the Airbnb. You're funny, yeah. Tap out the Airbnb and fill. You're funny, man. That's what you do. You just freaking let that thing, let it just keep coming out. Hilarious. Hilarious. The thing is, I'm not that vicious as the person that would put me in a place like this. We'll take a look at POLK as well for a second for Kevin. Let's take a look at POLK on KuCoin. I mean, this thing got sent. We talked about POLK yesterday on the live. Made a little pennant for it, and boom, ready to go to the measured move. We talked about POLKs. Someone asked us to go over it. We nailed the TA. The technical analysis is so amazing. POLK for 62%. Boom, 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 boom. We went over this. Look, cup and handle. It all looked nice. Boom. 62% in a day. In a day. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. 62% in a day on POLK. Booming to the upside. Look at that. Can I get a hello? Okay, today's the day to join the Patreon. Jump on into the Patreon so you won't be charged twice. If you were charged twice, we'll give you a tutoring session. We'll figure out a way, or we'll just add it on to the month when you leave and keep you going. Whatever you want to do, let us know. We always are here for our customers. Customer support is the number one thing here at Crypto Lifer. Each and every one of you is the number one priority. Whenever I hear that one of you got left behind or one of my admins is not on point, I get a little upset because, and I'm nice to everyone that works for me. I am. I'm not trying to be rude, but I do demand high level I demand a high level of work ethic and a high level of attention to detail. You know what I'm saying? Right now I'm on 4 hours of sleep. Went to bed at 2 a.m. Woke up at 7. even 645. Had to build my office from scratch. I'm on a temporary office that I just built from scratch completely. Yeah, you know. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. So FTT doing damage just the other day was at $22. It did a 3x back to 61 cents, and anything connected to the Solana network is going to boom to the upside. Veracity, man, what a great project. Booming to the upside, doing damage as well. So there you have it. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. Yesterday's tutoring session was life-changing. You are a clear and kind teacher. Thank you for teaching us the language that will make our dreams come true. Thank you for Phantom 2. Joyful days, back to back. Thank you so much, Love Learning, for the $10 super chat. Appreciate you. One love, brother. Can you do ACH or fourth token? Tokyo Sex Whale. Unbelievable. That's a great name. Can't hate on that name. Makes me think of John McAfee when he was talking about whale effing. And yeah, shout out to John, man. Appreciate you, John. You will always be alive on my stream. You will never die, even though they snuffed you out in a horrible way. And if they snuff me out in another way too, it is what it is. My daughter will live forever in my name. My wife will live forever in my name. And all will rock out. RUNE is pumping. Oh my gosh, RUNE. Let's take a look at ACH. Alchemy Pay. Taking a little too long to get up onto the trend. Let's take a look at ACH USD on Coinbase. Only a matter of time before Alchemy Pay gets busy. You could call this a cup and handle. You really can. All is well when cup and handles show their heads, show their faces, right? Cup and handle looking absolutely beautiful. And shout out to my analysts and all my teams, everyone in my group. Look at my analysts killing them. Killing them. I got my charts. You see my crazy chart. You see my charting. Look at my analyst here on Dent. He's got the cup and handle in there for you. He's got the stop, open position, each level of profit taking all the way up to 279. The hard work in trading comes in the preparation. The actual process of trading, however, should be effortless. Jack Schwager. He's right. You sit there, and then when it's right, you just walk up to the computer and you touch the button. It used to be so hard for me, and then when it's not easy, when it's easy, I'm wondering, why is it so easy? And nothing should be easy. I don't like to use the word easy, but it's all about getting it in, you know? Pretty cool that there's a little quote there on the trade, right? Then you have entry. Take profit 1, take profit 2, right? Measured move, all-time candle body. And then the all-time high wick. Take profit 5, bam. See that? Stop loss. And there you have it. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade, Dent USDT. That's a beautiful idea. A beautiful idea. And then we're taking a look at Do Your Own Research on Pancake Swap. Seems to be forming an ascending triangle. Getting very, very bullish to the upside as well. So, something to think about on your radar. And we're nice enough. I'm just giving you guys, these are the calls that people in my Patreon are looking at. Everyone jumps in and we form a group consensus. And everyone, think about it. With a guy that works as hard as me and pushes this hard, you can only imagine what kind of people join that room. All right? I realize if someone doesn't want to get it and doesn't want to push hard, the Patreon's really not going to be for them. Like, it's just going to be, you know. You kind of have to want it to be a lifer. It's a privilege to be a lifer. The $99 is literally just gets you in the door. And then it's like, now it's not, you're not giving $99. You're giving a piece of yourself to become a lifer. Like, you're going all the way. You're being real with yourself. Like, if you're a fake person, the lifers, or if you haven't come to terms with who you are and had a long talk with what you want to do with your life and where you can go, like, it's time. It's time. It's time to go all the way, my friends. It's time to go all the way and make it happen, all right? And I know you can. I know you can. Become a lifer will change the way you think about life completely. You'll make, anyway. And I won't promise you any green pastures. I won't promise you any wins. I can't guarantee that anything good will happen to you unless you create that workflow for yourself. You bring in the goodness. You become the reason why all is well. All right? Shorts getting liquidated. Alchemy Pay doing its thing. Coinbase. And honestly, Phantom will be on Coinbase soon. It's Coinbase custody right now. Phantom will be on Coinbase very, very soon. That news is coming probably by the end of the week, if not next week. Phantom. It's on everybody's radar now. They got to have it. They're going to make a lot of commission on it. Of course, they're going to put Phantom out there. So just something to think about. Alchemy Pay doing damage, looking absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at Total. Total is the entire market cap of all the cryptocurrencies. All right, and you can see it's actually breaching trend line right now, which is pretty interesting. But to me, that's just top trend, like top trend line, and it's going to come back down. Be nice to see it actually break out, though, right? Anything is possible, but this is what I see for Total, which is the entire market cap. And there you have your measured move all the way back to $300 trillion, $3 trillion. So a whole $1 trillion wants to come into the market. It's what it's telling us. And now it's back to $2.1 trillion. That's a big deal. Holding $2 trillion very, very nicely. Look, bounce. And look, we have an inverted head and shoulder forming here now as well. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Let me show the beginner, because a lot of beginners, they don't know what I'm talking about. They're like, what does he mean? That's why I always go over the form and structure, right? And the reason I always do that is because of this. It's because we have a head and shoulder here, right? And we have a shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. And bam, ready to rock. Okay. Shoulder, head, and shoulder, booming to the upside. And that's an inverted head and shoulder. Crypto, total market cap. That could boom up to the upside. Anything is possible, but that's starting to create a neckline. And then we could actually kind of reposition this line here and say, is this what we're seeing? The ascending triangle getting busy right there. And that's actually very possible. You know, Adam just bopped out of that. A lot of coins just kind of had something similar. DOT had something similar and made a bit of a move. So Total, wanting to break out, wanting to get busy, wanting to go to the upside, right? 1 hour is a little slow. So I think it's going to turn on us, come back down to the downside, and then the whole market is going to erupt because the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour are going to be ready to rock. Let's take a look on it. Yeah, well, so the 4 hour reset, and look, the daily will reset as well. So both of these time frames will reset, and this will probably come down. So look for the market to kind of struggle for the rest of the day. It tells me that the market's going to come back down to about $2.07 trillion from 2.1 trillion. Right? So that's the idea. It looks like for the afternoon, we might just have some sideways action. But tonight, it looks like tonight is going to be a golden night, a golden cross, unbelievable movement to the upside as well. Guys, I'm going to move my weekly screen share till tomorrow. I'm going to move it till tomorrow just so everybody knows. Weekly screen share will be moved to tomorrow. I'm going to put that out there right now. Actually, maybe I'll move it to Friday. I'm going to move it to Friday. Also, all the new members who are just getting started, it'll give them a couple days to get in and get regulated and understand what's happening, because some people are getting in on the first too. So if I just start with the first one today. So I'm going to move the weekly screen share will be moved to Friday this week at 5 p.m. Okay? All right? Just so everybody knows, people who are kind of might square their time away for today. And I apologize if you did that. I really apologize. Okay, so there's the total market cap of all of cryptocurrency. Looking really nice. Says the most we'll have is a bit of a pullback here. Now, some could say, wait. That's a rising wedge, my friend. And rising wedges break down 68% of the time. And it faked itself out. I could say, okay. And the measured move of this rising wedge will be all the way back down at $178 trillion. So I'm just preparing for a bearish, anything bearish. We are kind of, we could end up falling out of here and hit 1.92 trillion. Anything is possible. I'm going to be highly positive that it's not going to happen in that manner, but I'm ready for the bullishness and the bearishness to come either way. But, for that to occur, we would have to be pretty high on the daily time frame. And we weren't. And we've been fighting this off. I mean, we take a look at this. I mean, there's an inverted head and shoulder right there on the daily. You can see it. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. Once we crack that neckline, we gone, baby, we gone. Also, we're starting to flatten off. Yes, we did have the bearish tone, but we flattened off. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, man, I wish Crypto Face watched my channel. He would benefit. If I see a lot of other YouTubers that are good, like Crypto Savy, the guy's in a short from 48. Come on, Crypto Savy, man. I would have helped you out so much, man. Come to my channel every single day. I got to go to Crypto Savy's channel right now. This guy, man, he's struggling. He's struggling. Let's take a look at Crypto Savy. He's struggling. I don't know how he gained a channel with all those followers. He's a nice guy. I think he's a cool dude. Crypto Savvy, right? But he's been shorting Bitcoin since 42.9. I mean, that's insane to me. Like, He saw, oh, we'll hit that level and we'll come back down. Like, he projected way too hard into the market. Like, let's see what this guy says. I like to see what these other analysts say. Like, what are they saying? Look, he has the measured move to the... He's in a short, so he's propelling that we're going to...
Guys, welcome to your...
He's in a short. He's saying we're going to the downside. He cannot see low stochastics on the MACD. He cannot see hidden divergence. He cannot see that we've balanced out. And I've given this idea too, right? So in his defense, I've given the same idea with the measured move. It's possible that that is a falling wedge, right? But honestly, man, he's in a short, so he's forcing you guys. He's forcing you guys to see this is, and he's an Elliott wave trader. I worry about those people. I really do. Elliott wave traders. I'm sorry if you're an Elliott wave trader, but I form my own plans, and without Elliott waves, I'm like, I nailed this bottom. I nailed this bottom right here, and we went all the way up. So no Elliott waves at all. We long Bitcoin at 32.4. We got into Phantom at 18, 17. MATIC back below at like 76. Numerous people. Hey, wait, watch this. In the comment section below, in the comment section right now, put a 1 in the comment section if you hit the bottom on a coin. Ethereum, Atom. Put a 1 if you hit the bottom. Crypto Savvy is a perma bearer. Damn, man, yeah. You may need to refresh the page. I'm seeing 160 likes. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 226 global fam watching. Just one click away. Only need 40 more to hit 200 people. Unbelievable. You guys are awesome. Okay, look at all the people hitting 1. All these people caught the bottom. Why did they catch the bottom? Did you guys catch the bottom because you... I'm not trying to be rude, but... Did you catch the bottom possibly because you were watching my channel? I did. My channel helped me catch the bottom. Showing up every day for you guys kept me honest, man. Look at everyone, man. Look at all these ones. Hell yeah, baby. I was there July 19th to the 20th, snatching up MATIC, ETH, and BTC. You were, man. I remember getting your text. You go, you gave a text. You said, man, because of your teachings, I got MATIC at 68. You said you got ETH at 18. Right? Man, you're the man, dude. I did it because I believed you. Shout out to Bristol Blade. Massively. Shout out to the Sammy Cup and Hattie. Shout out to Dustin KAVA up in the spot. Appreciate you, my boy. Appreciate you, my brother. You are a brother for life, my friend. You are a brother for life. Dude, we are buying alts on the dip. Dude, we are buying alts on the dip. Can you explain why the stock RSI is better than the market cipher, please? Market siphon. All right, well, I'll show you, man. You know what it is? It's honestly, nothing's better than market cipher. It's the trader. The trader can, honestly, bro, you could buy when a blue bird flies through your window, and every time a blue bird flies through the window, like, it's the trader. It's all about the trader, man. Shout out to Odyssey up at the spot. I respect your opinion, but you can't deny Elliott wave theory is the only forecasting tool that can put the market into a context. I mean, whatever you want. It's up to you guys. Honestly, this is what I've learned. If you spend 5 years in Elliott wave theory, then you believe it works. If you spend 5 years doing what I'm doing, then you believe what I do works. Like, it all depends, man. And honestly, I'll be open to some Elliott wave theory, but a lot of Elliott wave traders were positioning us down 20K, 15K, like literally 90% of them. Come on, man. I just hate to hear the word stock, LOL. Yeah, because of you, lifers. Shout out to Alarin Zatari. Gotta eat the dip. I respect your opinion, but you can't deny it. I caught the bottom with the help of you. Now I can do things on my own because of you. But I still learn from you every day. Shout out to Produce the Beats, man. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. It's all about the education. It's all about the education. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live stream. If you're a crypto lifer, 200 people watching. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 200 people watching, 134 likes, 216, 170 likes. Let's get the likes up to the watchers. Like, let's show YouTube how powerful we are as an algorithmic group. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it all the way to the top. See, man, I would never use the word bad mood. I was in a frustrated place. And you guys made me feel so amazing that, like, I have no worries. Nobody can take me down. No day can stop my love. No day can stop how I feel about the dreams coming to me and you guys and the lifers, man. So look at this. Cardano in an ascending triangle, forming a very consolidative bull pennant. I'm telling you right now, Cardano going all the way to $4. $4 Cardano. That's on the charts. It's written in the stars. Bam. Remember this call right here? I mean, it's funny. Crypto Savvy, man. I love you, man. It's funny. I was in his video yesterday. I told him that he should, he's like Bitcoin down from here. I commented. I'm like, yo, man, you shorted 42.9. I'm like, oh, man. I bet him $500 he'll get stopped out. It's funny, man. I like trolling crypto YouTubers, man, when they're, because you know what it is, man? They're trolling you guys, man. They're trolling you guys. They're telling you, you know. Anyway, major move soon. Shout out to Crypto Savvy, man. I appreciate anyone that goes online like me every single day. I know it's not easy. It's not easy at all. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. These alts are popping off. Load up for the next leg of this bull run. Bitcoin, yeah, so we take a look at alts every single day, guys. And I have a list of alts that are out of control. Okay? Out of control. Out of control. Let's take a look at BAI. If you don't know what BAI is, Buoyancy. One of the smallest coins in all of KuCoin. And BAI could do some serious damage. Let's take a look at BAI USDT on Tether. It's forming another pennant. It's getting busy. And the daily is resetting for a low to the for another move to the upside. BAI is just getting started. Look at this. Look at this. That's a bull pennant. Beautiful bull pennant. Target for BAI. All the way up there. 66% gains coming for BAI on the measured move. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is absolutely lovely. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is about to get oversold. This thing is cooking. This is it right here. This is it. Trade of the day. BUY. I like this trade a lot. Again, don't do anything I do on this channel. None of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. We're just going over coins, going over TA, having a blast, looking at things that have a higher probability of breaking out due to the technical analysis. Nothing else. Nothing more. Buy. And guys, this is when it starts to get absolutely ridiculous. This is why you do your homework in a bear market, because once the bull run starts, it's like taking candy from a baby. It's like taking candy from a baby. And honestly, don't take candy from a baby. That really upset a baby, right, Sammy? Can't take candy from a baby, right, Sammy? That's horrible, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the live stream with the Crypto Lifer. Without you, there is no me. Without me, there is no Crypto Lifer show. And so you guys built me up so I can break down the charts every single day. We build it up so we can break it down every single day. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I'm like, it's called BAI. Go figure, right? It's funny, right? Buoyancy. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. We'll take a look at Parsec, my baby Parsec. What is Parsec about to do? Funky move right there, but it is kind of channeling itself. That's a bit of a cup and handle for Parsec. See, it's actually following the Bitcoin chart right there. Let me see if I have a better chart here. PQR. PRQ, sorry. So I believe we go over the timestamps. Like, look at this. Let me show you the timestamp from yesterday's video. This is what I want to show you. For some reason, we got shadow banned. Only 830. I know we got more views than that. I just don't think we got the views. Somehow YouTube didn't calculate them. So look. You take a look at this. And look. This is how many coins we go over in one session. This was 2 days ago. We went over REC, Etho, BAI, Anchor, Cello, Apple, Bitcoin, Phantom, XPR, Sol, Mana, COTI, Empire Dex, Empire, Kana, Do Your Own Research, Silo, MTV, More Cirrus, EGLD, KP3R, HNT, Cirrus, ADA, AVAX, Fear, True, my Hyundai Santa Fe, Phantom, Bitcoin. Look how many Fear. Like, you could just take a picture of these, man, and I could, like, it's insane. It's insane. Those are the coins we went over yesterday, like 2 days ago. And you can find a coin, just hit the timestamp. You want DYOR, you click on the stamp, and there you go. Shout out to DYOR, man. So just want to show you how awesome that is. 183 likes. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? We're almost to crack 200 likes. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm on 4 hours of sleep, guys, and I'm pushing at the speed of light. Thank you so much for being here. It's burning hot inside the Airbnb as I stream. I'm sweating right now, and I can't even put a fan on me. I think a fan would be just enough to get me through. Just enough to get me through. So there's a cup and handle. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Parsec, man, only a matter of time, bouncing from the bottoms, the depths of the depths at 73. I see Parsec back out at 163 not too long from now. Based on the measured move of this cup and handle, there's a 68% chance that it breaks to the upside. Again, none of this is my own opinion. So I can't even be, you could even call me a financial advisor because I'm not even giving you my opinion. None of this is my opinion. I'm just showing you the chart and what the chart says. This is just what the chart says. I'm just able to pull it out of the chart. I'm able to see you I'm able to show you what the chart's saying, right? And then you can use what's called the long position here, which is a long tool which calculates your risk reward ratio. I want to know the risk reward ratio here. So I gained 119, and then I would like to being right there is a little close, but maybe a little lower to this one, to that support resistance region is a better place. Always making support and resistance whenever you get into a trade. Make sure that's your entry point. So yeah. And there you have a beautiful call to the upside. Parsec, absolutely looking absolutely nice. I've been in Parsec for over about a year now. I can't even believe it. I've been in Parsec for a year. This has been a year-long bull run in my mind. A year long. I've been in this bull run for a year. It's been quite a run, to say the least. It's been quite a run. Parsec on KuCoin. I got Parsec when it was only on Uniswap. A lot of these coins were only on Uniswap. You couldn't even get them on KuCoin. Now they're on KuCoin, and we had them before they even came out. Unbelievable, right? So, shout out to the Parsec move to the upside. Absolutely beautiful. Bam. Injective protocol. What is injective? Let's talk about it. I like it. Let's break it down. What's going on with injective protocol? Well, injective is hot. It's a really, really good ecosystem, and it can move. Let's take a look at it, what it is for you. Let's show you the website. Let's break down injective. I also give you guys free deep dives. Why not? Why not? Send in a super chat for a deep dive, or just to, talk about a coin, go over something that you want to talk about, or just to send some love, or just to be part of the live stream and see your face up on that big screen. Jump on in there. Appreciate each and every one of you. Dude, took that loan out that weekend. We was at 29, and they said going to 20. I know, right? Life for teaching. That's why I caught the bottom. Rodney Robinson, there you go, man. There you go. Alarin Satari, all day. Chris, I see you. LOL. Shout out to Chris Pearson. I didn't hear YGG on the list. Let's take a look at YGG. Fourth, TA, please. Let's take a look at fourth. Engine being stubborn. Let's take a look at Engine for that super chat. Please do fourth token. Love the show, but late to work, brother. It's just on Coinbase. Low market cap. Low supply at all-time high was 4x from now. Fourth, low market cap, low supply, crazy all-time high. Thank you, Sex Whale. Sorry, I didn't realize you came in so hard for that. Let's take a look at fourth. You did say ACH or fourth, and I was going to do them both. I did do ACH. Technically, I did fulfill the super chat. Actually, I'd like to say, in my defense, in this moment in time, I may have or may not have, but yes, I did. No, I'm just saying. So look, I like Basic Attention Token. It just had that deal with Gemini. That's a big deal. That's going to put it on the map. People are going to be like, oh, wow, Basic Attention Token, Gemini? Oh, maybe I should get Gemini and buy Basic Attention Token. You see how that works, right? And it works well. So look, I thought it was in that, going to do the massive move to the upside. But look, I've been holding Basic Attention Token also for a long, long time. Giant cup and handle. A giant cup and handle. We've seen the small ones break out. Now what happens when the big ones go parabolic? I'm telling you right now. So I could take the length of this pole right here for Basic Attention Token. Basic Attention Token. Bam, bam, bam. We take a look at that risk reward ratio. That's the only reason I use the long tool. And I'm showing you how to use the tool. Someone could be new. That's why I use it every time, because someone could be new every second of the live stream, and I want them to understand this is a great risk reward ratio tool. Now, the 1 hour is hot, and what I say to that is it's going to have to come and retest some type of area of support and resistance. So here you have it. And that's why I do zones, right? So now you're like, all right, well, that's the zone, honestly. And there's your zone right there. I do a call out on the buy zone. And there's your buy zone right there. And there you have the focus. There you have the focus, my friends. It only gets cool in here when it gets up to 70 or 80 degrees, and then the air blows on you for about 10 minutes. Which isn't the worst. It's not too bad. I'm working with it. I'm working with it. I'm making the best of the situation, but I just can't full-blown put the AC on right now. It should be so cold in here, my daughter's wearing a sweater. And people remember, like, this coin, you can get, like, this is the basic attention token. Like, this runs the Brave browser that I'm running right now. Look, it's my little Brave wallet right here, connected, tradingview.com, Brave verified. I haven't, like, oh, I got a new computer and I haven't reset the wallet up. But people can tip you with Brave browser. You get paid. You keep this little, I keep this little face on. There's like a little face up here. I don't know if anyone can see it. There's like a little lion face. When I click on that, it allows me to either let the ads in or not let the ads in. If I let the ads in, I get paid in basic attention token. They share the price that they got when they basically sold, because this is it. They created a platform. You come and watch it. Then they sell ads based on who? Your attention. But they don't pay you for your attention. So they mine all of our attention, and someone could make money off your attention. That's the data that they're using. Just the simple fact that they could run you to a site and then monetize you. So basic attention token says, hey, that's unfair. Let's share that monetization process with the person that we're actually diving with the resource. The resource is the attention. If you looked at the business model, it's I own a website, but I can only sell ads if people come to the website, because then I can sell the attention. So they're farming our attention without giving us compensation on a mass scale. It's going on all over the world, every single place you look. Okay. We talked about how Serum would follow Solana. We went over this over and over again. These are basic concepts, basic ideas. This is forming a bit of a cup and handle too. Only a matter of time till it follows Solana and continues to the upside, right? MFT, mainframe. What mainframe did was it broke out, came back down into a wedge, broke out again. Now it's forming a big bowl and consolidating yet again. Mainframe, man, MFT, looking on my radar as well. Bancor, BNT, starting to make a move. We talked about Bancor. We put it out there. So far, so good for Bancor, continuing to move to the upside. No stop loss got hit in the making of this video. I love that. Like, no animals got hurt. Like, no stop loss got hurt in the making of this video. That's my new, like, I keep hearing that. No stop loss got hurt in the making of this video. If you want to join the Patreon, I highly suggest you jump on into the Patreon. Yeah, it's fine. That's when a new person adds on. It's like remembering just, it's my last subscriber or something like that. Okay. Yeah. It's just remembering the last subscriber and maybe not loading or something, you know? Yeah, it's showing you that, like, see, it shows the last subscriber underneath my face here inside of the webcam. See, username, webcam frame, recent donation, stream label. Recent follow, but maybe it's like late in night because it's like forgetting. So you could turn that person off, but it's kind of cool. Recent follower, she gets some love. She gets some love. Mariana Bacania, she gets that love, man. She gets that love because she's been supporting the channel. My name is not Mariana. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on in. CTK, man, it audits all the projects. Remember that. It audits every single project, doing a bit of a retest there and bounced off the retest. We called the retest bounce. Bada boom, bada bing, bada bang. And it's on its way to the upside. Another call. Uniswap only going to do more and more damage as Binance loses volume and more people are forced to trade on a decentralized exchange. More people want to be on a decentralized exchange. As it is, that's where we're going. So it's interesting, like the establishment's headed one way and people are headed another, and they're trying to corral us, and we're trying to be like, no, we're going this way. You know, you have to remember, everyone like treats, I'm not going to get into it right now, but one day I'll be able to have a long talk about where we're going as a people, where we're going as the human race, and where we're going to end up. Uniswap back to $42 a coin. There's the idea here in a cup and handle, starting to make its move. And it's funny how like these, like the small caps pumped out of these cup and handles, but like a lot of the large cap, mid cap coins, they just kind of were getting ready for a bigger move. There's Uni ready for more. So look, Uni is now oversold on the 1 hour, right? I mean, to me, Uni's getting ready for some massive action. So Uni in the cup and handle, ready to rock, could be the trade of the day. Could be the trade of the day, right?
Daddy, if you want, I could put the back door open with the nets closed.
Yeah, if you think it's going to help, my love, whatever makes you happy, baby.
It is cold out, a little breeze.
Stand out there for a little while, tell me how you feel,
I already did.
and then tell me a bit of, you know. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. We'll get back into the chat in a second, see what you guys are saying in the chat. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you for the super chats. Thank you for the love, man. You guys are unbelievable. Really made my day. Remade my day. Or we got to go over fourth token. I'm sorry. I have bad short-term memory loss. A lot of partying in college. A lot of partying. Baked potato bread. Yes, that too. But mine is on. Trust me. Chief, how come your voice sounds fine, but your headset's microphone is in the back of your head? Because I'm not using the headset microphone. I'm using this microphone. Yeah, I wouldn't use this. I don't think this. Hello. Yeah, I actually don't even like these headphones. Sound horrible compared to the other headphones I have. Don't forget to turn on the notifications, people. Thank you, Baked Potato Brett. Baked Potato Brett. I love that name, man. You're the man, dude. Shout out to Baked Potato Brett, man. You're the dude. Let's go bake a potato together, man. Motor Passion is Phantom Strong. Very strong. Did the Hat Herc Amp bad? Your live show never showed up on my subscriptions while it was on, only after it aired. Very shady. Very shady. The best education in crypto right here. You found it. You are here with the best in the game. Shout out to everyone here, man. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Felipe, the night. Like the night in the car. Is it real? That was awesome. That was awesome. Yeah, AVAX is taking off. I looked at that recently, and it looks like it's just going on a absolute tangent to the upside. AVAX wanting to destroy faces. Ripping the face off the market. AVAX, one of my favorite long-term holdings, man. Today's a big day for my portfolio. Today's a big day for my portfolio. I didn't even eat breakfast yet. Can I get a hello, man? And I got my liquid vitamin D right here. My liquid vegan vitamin D. All right. Tastes like cardboard, but I do what I gotta do. My liquid vegan vitamin D, baby, every single day. And honestly, to be healthy, all you have to do is not be obese. Take care of yourself. Drink tons of water, right, all the time, and maintain, you know, a positive mindset and work out every single day. Bro, go eat some food. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Too many squirts. Shout out to Toko Sex Whale. Oh my God, you're hilarious, man. You're ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Uni looking absolutely beautiful. Going to gain market share as Binance cracks down. A lot of people are just gonna be like, oh, I'm just gonna up and move my funds somewhere else then, right? And the people have finally taken control. Like, the people can take control. No one should be telling you what to do. You should be telling the government what to do. The government works for you. Remember that. The government works for you. We should have a system in place where the people watch what the government does, and we kind of watch over it, and it can't do whatever it wants. You know what I'm saying? Yep. COTI looking absolutely nice. Let's take a look at C98 as it took a little bit of a break for a long time. Let's see what it did. C98, what are you doing, baby? Show me the love, baby. Show me the love. So, I thought we were independent there. We fell out a little bit, but you know what? So far, so good. So far, so T-do. So far, so T-do. So far, so good for COTI. In the falling wedge, 68% chance of a break to the upside. COTI looking deadly. Absolutely deadly. And those are my three-dimensional spider line. Look at that. It makes the price float in space like it's actually floating on top of a layer. Pretty sick, right? And look how it's respecting the trend line. It hit this line, it hit this line, it hit this line, it hit that line, and it hit the top trend line. Isn't that insane? So cool. I'm just starting to mess with this tool. It's pretty interesting. COTI. Pretty far out. Pretty far out. I'd actually want it more vibrant too. It's called Twisted Fibs, man. It's really respecting the trend line. Look right there, respected it. Right there, respected it. Right there, it bounced. Right there, it bounced. It's absolutely insane how this stuff works, man. Like, I can't. So, COTI, highly likely to break to the upside based off of a falling wedge with a 68% chance of a break to the upside. Falling wedge, 68% chance. That's how you do them. And you can see a massive move for COTI. A massive move for COTI. The only thing is higher risk because look, you have this gap area. As I got hiccups, you have this gap area, and that gap suggests that you don't have a lot of support right here at this region. So anything is possible. Anything is possible, right? C98. About time. That's why you don't chase. You let it settle after the huge moves. You let it settle. You let it settle. And then eventually, it finds its spot. It finds its place. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming on into the live. 208 people watching, 192. Whenever I get to 200, I can't keep 200. Can never keep to see it. It can't hold. It never seems to hold. Algorithm always falls off on me. What do you think about Acro? I like Acro a lot. We got a call for it on the Patreon. I don't want to go over it right now because my call's already out there. My portfolio popping and BTC not even popped yet. Tells me what's coming next. We already checked Luna. No, we have not checked Luna. Fa fohihal. Fa fohihal. There's a descending wedge I was talking about. There you go. He met C98. Link busting. Blink BUSD. All right, busting out. Oh yeah, Link busting out. Yes, it is. The people should not fear their government. The government should be afraid of their people. V for Vendetta, baby. Shout out to Kyle the Ronster every single time. Is Bitcoin in an inverted head and shoulder on the 1 hour, or am I not seeing the bigger picture? Hope you all have an awesome day, lifer, and you'll see you all in the Patreon. Love you. Shout out to Rodney R up in the spot. Got a Zoom meeting I have to jump on. Join the Patreon, people. It will change your life. Thank you so much for saying that. Let's take a look at YGG. YGG on Huobi. Bitfinex. Sushi Swap. I'll take a look at it on Huobi. YGG. Let's find out what it is. I never heard of it. Every day we learn about a new coin. There's thousands of coins. Is it Yield? Yeah, Yield Guild Games. I like the fact that it's got games in the name. $543 million market cap. Just beginning to get started. YieldGame.io, $8 even. Let's take a look at what we're seeing here for Yield.io. Yield Guide. YGG is a play-to-earn gaming guild. YGG is a play-to-earn gaming guild, bringing players together to earn via blockchain-based economies. We are the settlers of the new worlds in the metaverse. Connect your wallet to start. I wish they had kind of put a lot more out there. Like, I could have made a website like this and said that, right? I mean, yes, I'll connect the wallet. We'll see where it goes. But just off the bat, I'd like a little more. I'd like a little more from the homepage, right? I mean, they came out. Maybe they just started and they threw something up. But come on, right? A16Z, new investors. A16Z. Yield Games is proud to announce 4.6 million US round led by A16Z. Read our full article. I mean, that's awesome. That's awesome. They got a Discord, the Metaverse. Joined October 2020. Yield Guild Games. Interesting. Anytime I try to do anything on Ethereum for the past month, it's been $50 to $200 in fees. Makes me so bullish on Solana. Like, who cares about L2s when L1 prices out any normal person? That's what I'm saying. Who cares about L2s when L1? That's exactly what I'm saying, right? So Bitcoin August closing price 46,156, like clockwork. Yeah, look, the stock to flow. The guy said that we would close at 47,000. Now he says that September will close at 43,000. You know, another tropical storm named as Ida brings rain to the northeast. There you go. And yeah, man, Plan B hit it perfectly on the head, basically predicting exactly where we would be going. They said it yesterday, right here. Look, they said there's also more fundamental reason that we see weakness in June and possibly July. My worst case scenario for 2021. Worst case scenario, August 47K, September 43K. This is the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario is 135K by December. I'm telling you right now, we're ready. I think you guys are going to see something insane. You're going to watch us all become multimillionaires, and it's going to be absolutely beautiful. Bitcoin ban. There are countries where crypto is restricted or illegal. Horrible, horrible, horrible. And let's take a look at what Saylor's saying today. I always like to look at Michael Saylor's tweets. They make me happy whenever I'm down a little bit. I just go to Michael Saylor and I read his tweets. They make me so happy. We are leading enterprise analytics platform, but don't just take our word for it. Gartner's 21 Peer Insights report says we are customer's choice vendor. Read the report to find out why. MicroStrategy named 2021 customer's choice in analytics and biodata. Life is proof of work. Bitcoin. That's so cool. Look at that. Look at the Bitcoin symbol in there. Pretty sick, yeah. Not cool, that shell? Uh-oh, Summer's in the show now. Summer's in the show. Every day, more Bitcoin. Oh, wait, show them. Wait, come here. Draw one of your wedges for them. Show them you can draw a wedge. Draw some wedges here.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Come here.
Pretty big size.
Draw a wedge.
Okay.
Go up to your wedge up on the left. Up on the left. You got it. You're almost there. Right here. I know you're nervous. You're on the live.
No, because it's hard.
Oh, that's loud. Don't be that loud.
Your mouse is...
So look, draw your wedge, baby. She's drawing the wedge right now. Look, these are my hands. That's one right there. Remember, I want you to draw this line and that line. I want you to put this in a falling wedge. Come on, baby. This is a 6-year-old kid doing technical analysis. You've never seen anything like it. Look, I hit Apple T, Alt T. Now I got your wedge. Draw your top wedge. Press there and press there.
Okay.
Just calm down. You got this. You got this. You got it. Make that the down one. Make that the one on the... Yep. Make that the one on the downside. Yep, perfect. A little more down. There you go. A little more down. There you go. Perfect. Not bad. Now draw your top wedge. Now draw your top wedge. Go draw your top wedge, baby. I'll hit Alt T. Now draw your top wedge.
Where?
That point to that point. Remember, you're going to channel it. Channel that action. Just go right there. Click right there. Click on my finger. Come on. Click right there. It's also the speed of the mouse she's not used to. And then click right up there. Move up, move up, move up, move up. That's going to be it. Up there, right up there, up there, right up there, right up there. There you go. That's good enough. All right. And she's going to be drawing falling wedges. By the time she's 10 years old, she's going to be a hands-down pro. Like, hands down a pro, man. Another reason why I love to stream family people, this is what's really important. Crypto Summer on the TA. Summer, the future of crypto lifer. Man, that's just too cool. So cute. Yeah, shout out to everyone here on the live, man. Yeah, she watches her daddy play with charts all day long, so that's all she sees, you know. She's got a lifetime tutor. It's natural, right? Well done, Samuel. She could tutor technical analysis for the rest of her life. Like, she already has a job. Like, she doesn't even have to go to college. Like, she already has a job. Like, she already has a job that would make more money than any degree she would go and pay for. You know what I'm saying?
Why can't you go deep?
Why can't you go deep? So YGG, at the end of its leg, for sure. 1 hour needs to come down to the downside, though, suggesting that it gets even a little more downside. So we take a look at this. This could come back down, and one more drop. And then it's going to be probably ready to rock, and it's getting very close. And it's hitting. It's doing the support and resistance flip here. Because you have resistance. We came back for the flip. YGG looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. But I'd wait for these stochastics to head to the downside. She's going to be schooling in a few years. Got to get drawing early. Yeah. Dustin KAVA. Cannot wait for the tutoring session with you and my son. Shout out to Dustin KAVA. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. All right, let me make sure I didn't miss any super chats. Let's see what's on. Crypto Greg. ACH finally ready, or is it in a permanent tease? LOL. Thanks. Let's take a look at ACH. No, we looked at ACH earlier today, and you know what? And that's why I tell people, these are long-term holds. You set it and you forget it. Alchemy Pay. You like Alchemy Pay? I like Alchemy Pay. Who likes Alchemy Pay? Hey. So look at this. There's a cup with a falling wedge, break to the upside, very, very possible. He sounds like he's like so stoned. I saw someone good music going on, man. The music. I know what he's saying, because today I got the music, and look, I got right. Second I got that music in my life, I felt right as rain, ready to rock. I like what we're seeing here for Alchemy Pay. It had to consolidate. It's been flapping and groping, flopping and groping, throwing all around. Alchemy Pay. Going to do damage at one point if you have the patience. Patience pays. Every single time, patience pays. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and appreciate each and every one of you for being here and being a student of the game. Thank you so much for putting in that work, putting that effort, and trying to be the best you can. That's how you're going to be the best you can. Get the word try out there. Actually be the best you can. Every day say, what do I have to do to become the best? And then do those things. Don't try to do those things, because trying is not doing. Trying is the worst word in the English language. And let me put it to this way. Everyone says, what do you mean? I try to do things all the time. Yeah, and that's why they don't get done. You're at a reunion for high school, and a couple of you guys get together, and you're like, oh, I just moved back into town. And you're like, oh, that's cool. We should all get together next week. And one of the guys like, yeah, I'll definitely try to do that. He's not showing up. If he says, yeah, I will do that, I'll give you a call. You know what? Wednesday I got something. I'll call you Wednesday afternoon. He's like, yeah, guys, let's try and do that. Try is when people don't want to do something. So it's a word for fake people. Like, so if you use it a lot, you're going to be around a lot of people that use it a lot, and then you're going to be around a lot of people that don't accomplish anything. Language is key. Watch what the people around you are saying. If they're saying things that seem repetitive and kind of locked in place, highly likely that, they're not going to benefit your life at all in any given. And I'm not trying to you're not better than anybody else, but like building blocks. We all want to bring people in our lives that bring positive energy to our life, right? Like this girl. She makes me so happy, man. To the day I die, she will be my greatest friend ever. My daughter, man. My daughter will be my greatest friend. I love you with all my heart. You're the greatest thing to ever exist. Both my daughters, man.
Daddy, did you know that door with the mirror on it in the closet is just empty?
Don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it. Coin Market Cap, Phantom features. Look at this. We got some cool music here. Coin Market Cap takes a deep dive into Phantom, a scalable, decentralized smart contract platform that had an impressive 100% gain again after the launch of its 370 million Phantom incentive program, right? And that's when people started working on Phantom, and now they're pushing our bag. See, now you got Google and the big boys pushing bags, right? And so where does the bag pushing stop? And who is the pusher? You see what I'm saying? Like, let's take a look at fourth for the Tokyo Sexy Whale. As man, wow, I really milked him. I really milked that super chat. Let's take a look at fourth. Okay. First thing I do is I look at something on a big time frame, like the daily or the weekly, and I just want to take it all in. Okay. So fourth, the price of fourth was $58. All right. So this could do just like Solana did, just like FTT did, went from 20 back to 60. A lot of these coins just did a 3x real fast, right? And it's forming the consolidative bull that we love and know so much, and it hasn't really popped yet. Thank you so much for putting this on our radar. It's looking absolutely scrumptious. Very, very nice. Only a matter of time for this thing. Oversold on the daily time frame. All right. We take a look, pushing up on the 4-hour. Now, two big time frames are both in our favor. I'm starting to kind of sniff around here. I'm seeing what's going down. Bit of a cup and handle here on the side as well. Okay. I put more support and resistance lines so I can get I can handle what's going on here. Beautiful, 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 baby. Beautiful, 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 baby. Yeah. I'm just messing with you. Injective protocol. And honestly, man, we went over so much already on the live, even though we pushed it through to 1220. Pmon erupting. Yeah, Pokemon was going to be big. Market cap, $148 million. Supply, 8.2 million. Ooh, are you kidding me? That's got a small supply, man. Why does it only have 8.2 million? That's interesting. That gets me really interested right off the bat. Makes me want to hit the buy button right now. Unbelievable. Fourth. Really, has that small of a market cap. Might take a bit of a gobble on this guy. I'm liking this right here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Where's the 1 hour sitting for me? 1 hour's not there yet. So I'm going to be putting alert right here on fourth. Bam. For my sniper entry. RUNE booming. We already gave a call for RUNE earlier. We were hit the target. All the way up there. Buy zone, look. Bam. For RUNE. Had you taken the call for RUNE, you'd be up 51%. And it came back down again, but boom, look at that. RUNE did damage, and there's the buy zone. Look how I do that. Look how I found the zone. It's very, very nice. Again, none of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any trade, coin, or project. Okay, I am not an investment advisor. I am not a financial advisor. By code 203A11 of the SEC. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay, RUNE USDT. Pumping to the upside. Just want to show you guys the gains. So many gains that we call out on this channel all the time. All the time. Okay, let's take a look at AVAX. I'm telling you right now, wait for this 1 hour to reset. Or for a push up. Let's take a look at the 15 minute. Okay, I'm going to wait for this 15 minute to cool off. The next time it cools off, I'm going to be paying attention to AVAX. So I got an alert on AVAX now from my Patrons. And this is what the Patrons, they got alerts all over the place waiting. So they know. They're going to know when the next coin is hot. Right? And then this is it. I teach them how to use all these skills to benefit their life with technical analysis and TradingView. TradingView has so many cool little tips, tricks, right? Email alerts, phone alerts to the phone. So many ways of finding out what is happening. Right? Adam, $28 to $30. Adam booming, dude. Booming. Alpha Finance, Alpaca Finance, SAFEMOON AVAX. Where can I chart that? You want me to chart that the other day, but I'm not sure where I can chart it. Maybe PooCoin? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming in. I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Let's see. I called it last night. I have fat fingers. Shout out to Roddy Robinson, exploding. Thank you, Lifer, for the wonderful 215 likes. Yo, you guys are unbelievable. ChatX Pro, dude. ChatX got it all, man. Go to ChatX Pro and just get it in. ADAX Pro is free. A lot of these places are free. Just get it in. Start charting. You can too become a crypto lifer. SAFEMOON. Scam. I sold all my SAFEMOON. No, I wasn't the SAFEMOON whale, but I did sell all my SAFEMOON. We'll take a look at it right now. Where's it at right now? Why did I sell all my SAFEMOON? Well, you know, I was happy with what had occurred. We went all the way up here to the upside, and I unloaded when we got up to, like, you know, we were up at 3-something, 3-1. I said, you know what? I'm out. It looked like I was the whale that dumped this price. Like, someone was like, thanks, are you the whale lifer? I don't know, man. I had 4.7 billion coins. I don't know if that made me a whale or not. I did have a lot because I got in at the very, very beginning. So I definitely did have a lot of coins, but, you know, and look at it all the way down here at the bottom, man. And it pumped and then dumped again. It's almost like that pump was just to get the people out that needed to get out, and then the massive dump to the downside. So interesting. And it's really just in a downtrend. Like, it's not even in a bowl yet. Like, it hasn't bowled yet. It just keeps up, down, and up. Higher lows, lower lows. There's finally a higher high there, so it could start making its way on out, you know. But SAFEMOON. Let's get back to ChatX. Let's look at SAFEMOON AVAX. Beat that CTSI descending wedge. Now a big cup. That's what happens. AVAX. Lifer the Whale. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Have a better day, Lifer. Shout out to... Yo, my day's awesome now, man. Like, it's awesome. Like, thank you so much for the $9.99. Shout out to Jordan Cadillo. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for coming on in. And we're finally not shadow banned today. You could tell they were shadow banning me yesterday. They definitely shadow banned me yesterday for whatever reason. I do not know why, but like right now we have more views concurrently than I had on my entire live stream yesterday. It doesn't make any sense. The live stream eventually would only get up to 800 or something views. And I'm not a view whore. Excuse my language. I'm not a view... Like, I don't need the views. And like, oh, God. It's just the idea, like, let's stay consistent here. Like so I can, you know, see how I'm moving in as my track record's moving forward, you know. So inject the protocol, getting pretty low here. Not too bad. Starting to form its move. You can see 52% gains. And then just hide out below this previous low. Right down there. I like the setup. I like the positional strength of the stop loss, and I like the risk to reward ratio is about 5-to-1 on this idea. Looking really nice. Injective protocol, just something on my radar, something that I'm looking at, right? So every day, man, I just go over the coins that I'm looking at. You guys watch me do it. It's a reality TV show. You guys just really like watching me draw shapes, and that's it, right? Injective. ETH looks very nice. We'll take a look at ETH BTC as well. Yeah, everyone's chart should look nice and neat, nice and clean. Keep your charts clean. Keep your layers. Keep your targets. Like always have your next targets, right? Support and resistance lines. Draw them out. Map it out at least around the temporal area of the trade. I'm here because I need to learn what a triangle is. Shout out to everyone here. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I caught the confusion and understood the beats. There you go. I can't find anything about it. And I have what looks like 10 grand and I'm afraid to touch it. X crypto trades. Any advice? Trent Osborne. Has anyone had a xcryptotrades.com account? Is there a... Don't use the word SEAM during my live. And who knows, man? I don't know. Oh, I meant COTI, not CTSI. Let's take a look at CTSI. Cartesian now. We go over more coins than any other channel. Cartesian, it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time, my friends, before Cartesian decides to do damage. Okay? CTSI, USDT. I like what I'm seeing there. Let's take a look at COTI, my baby COTI. I've been holding COTI for a long time. Let's look at COTI right now. They keep trying to drag that liquidity out. They keep trying to bring it lower and lower. That could be your last fight. Oh, no, you know what? 1 hour's high again. COTI not making a move. I think COTI comes down one last time to test the support region right here. I'd stay away from COTI just for now. Just until that 1 hour resets. I'll put a little time an alert on that, and I'll get to that when that occurs as well. Let's take a look at HEGIC. My baby HEGIC. Gonna start making a move. Don't miss out on HEGIC. When HEGIC moves, it moves ferociously, however you want. But look for HEGIC to come back down to the bottom of the pattern. Very similar idea here. Or does it get injected, you know, break out, come back down for the retest, and then push to the upside? HEGIC on my radar again. HEGIC. And I like the BUSD pairs. I like trading BUSDT pairs. It's a good, you know, it feels good. It feels good. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the Crypto Lifer Show. Thank you for coming on in. You guys are awesome. Okay. HEGIC. BUSD. Okay. My baby IOST up in the game. Love this coin, man. I love this coin. IOST, man. I got in at half a penny, dude. Half a penny. I'm still holding an 8X right now, and there's so much more to come. Like, people don't even know what this project can do. Let me do a deep dive of IOST for you guys so you can really understand why I'm so bullish on it. It's going to be one of the biggest DeFi coins in the game, and no one even knows it yet. Market cap only at $700 billion. Look for this to get up, and it's only 4 cents. IOST, man. The Internet of Things, man, right? Unleashing the power of blockchain, IOST. Learn more. Watch the video. I'm just going to watch the video right now because why not? So we're going to link that down. We're going to watch the video. IOST. What is it? What does it do?
For our future and how we do business, use online services, retain control of our data, and much more. To do this, we need a high-speed network that can scale for global adoption, a developer-friendly network that ensures usability and security for all. But current systems are too slow, insecure, hard to build on, and open to manipulation. That's where IOST comes in. Our network scales for global use while ensuring the usability and security required for mainstream adoption. Our powerful consensus algorithm, proof of believability, enables next-generation transactions
Proof of believability.
secure, using factors including reputation, participation, and behavior. An innovative Byzantine fault tolerance mechanism, microstate blocks, atomic commit protocol, and dynamic sharding all
It's got microstate blocks, atomic commit protocol, and micro sharding. Say that 10 times fast.
ensure apps are safeguarded, easy to use, and lightning fast, while reducing size, cost, and hardware requirements. We are building a self-operated, trustless, and developer-friendly platform that uses blockchain technology to cut out middlemen and maximize network value for users. From using blockchain services or
Great
launching
video,
dApps
too.
to
One of the
running
best videos I've
node
ever
and
seen.
validating transactions,
Hands
our
down.
network is easy to use, forever free, and open for all. We're funded by some of the world's leading venture capital firms and have created an ecosystem for developer funding, support, and more. With over 50 blockchain professionals from companies like Uber and Google and offices in 7 key cities around the world, we have the experience, knowledge, and resources to reach our ambitious goals. This is the network that will bring blockchain from concept to reality. This is IOST.
IOST, baby, man. IOST, man. Like, that was one of the best presentational videos ever. Yeah, it was a little, like, you know, watered down and kind of, you know, encompassed. But, I mean, come on, man. Like, the quality of that video alone, right? Everything about it. Like, people could learn how to get into projects like that. You know what I'm saying? IOST, man, I've been believing in it since day one. I absolutely love it. I love EGLD. EGLD wants to get back to its all-time high. This is one of my biggest holdings. I love EGLD. I love Elrond. I was into Elrond when it was ERD. Back when it was ERD, man. Elrond, man. So I've been trading these coins for almost 2 years now. I knew when these coins first came out. I've been a student of the game to these coins. It's just interesting to me what we see, right? And how long I've been in this space, man. It's just... I'm starting to feel like a Bitcoin dinosaur, man, you know? An old man when it comes to Bitcoin, you know? SOLANAX, right? Ooh, that's a little loud, right? That one's extra loud. Good bass, though. That's good to bass, though. Rock your head out. I'm trying to think where to sit. I was supposed to be looking at this screen there, but eventually had to change the screen at the last second. Just how it is, man. Maybe I could move over. No, if I move over there... looks all right. I think it looks better when you're focused the center, like I'm looking that way. I almost should be on the left side of the screen then if I'm going to do it like that. Anyway. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you for being a part of the live stream. You guys rock out every single day. Life or the whale. I wish, man. Link gonna follow Soul to $100 next. What coin is this? Oh, okay. I love owning money that don't have pictures of murder on it. Yeah, right? XRP looks weird on the 4-hour. BTC pumping. BTC 50K. Here we go. Can I ask, Luna? BTC pump. Wow, with the pump to the upside, let's take a look at BTC. Pump into the upside. EGLD about to make its move as well. I'll put a call out for EGLD. Really like EGLD. I want to look at the risk-reward ratio on it. Can I find it? Yeah, let's see. It's going to give me about 18. I'm going to have to risk about 3.48. That's a beautiful 5-to-1 risk-reward ratio. I absolutely love what I'm seeing here for Elrond, EGLD, E-Gold, baby. E-Gold. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin as it continues to pump to the upside. Woo! Woo! It's a beautiful day to be alive in the cryptocurrency space. Shout out to everyone here. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. I forgot all my will. I'm sweating right now. I got no AC, but you know, I realized I can go to Best Buy and buy one of those like mini ACs. Portable. They got like those little stand-up ACs, don't they? Something like this. I'll go buy this Dyson Cool Tower. And it will freaking cool the whole house down, right? And then I'll, you know what? I'll have it for a week, and then I'll just bring it back. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, the big daddy in the room. I like this music. It's like you gotta have someone playing with the fire in the. And they got the fire going, and it's all going around your head, and you're just like, woo! Anyway, don't get too excited about this pop. You know why? Because the 1 hour is extremely high to the upside, right? And it's pointing down right now, actually. And are we getting a flip up? Let's see. We're getting the 1 hour flip up. I tell you what, right there, that actually changes the game. The flip up right there changes the game. We could see some action now. Let's take a look at the 15-minute, though. 15-minute is extended. Keep going, keep going. Okay, so this is what we want. All is well. We want Bitcoin's got to break this trend line. Then when the 15-minute resets, it's the retest, and that's going to be the real trade right there. That's what we're looking for. So I'm already going to put an alert down here on the 15-minute for BTC, and I'll be watching it throughout the day, and I will nail it like a freaking. I'll take it for what it is. So look, Bitcoin. If it doesn't break out, I think it's going to come back down and hit 46,300 one more time in this channel. If it does break out, it breaks out like this, and then this reset becomes the top of the channel. So we're looking for this area, or we're looking for, we're looking for here or here, depending on how this plays out, right? All eyes on Bitcoin right now, All eyes on Bitcoin right now. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's starting to go up really nicely. It's starting to push. We're seeing that the levels are breaking, and it's starting to make a nice big move to the upside. I was thinking of trading this earlier today. I didn't really initially put any money in. I was thinking of possibly, you never know. So, just something I'm thinking about doing with cryptocurrency. I'm just... Shout out to everyone here on the live. What if that was my voice? Would people watch the live stream if I like, let's go look at Bitcoin, everybody. We're going to dive in. Lately, I've been seeing some levels that have been holding well, and it's going to go up or down, depending. Who am I? No, don't do it. I know some of you people thought of somebody. Don't say it out loud. Look, measured move of the inverted head and shoulder, 49,000. And that will break us out of this freaking falling wedge that we need to get out of. And then Bitcoin can come back and top, and then we're on our way to 60K, and all can be well. So all eyes on BTC. I'm not buying it right now. I'm not buying it 100% right now, but so far so good. The fact that Bitcoin is just at least going sideways is a beautiful thing, and that's very, very good for the altcoins. As AVAX back to 400 and about to break this local high, I'm going to tell you right now, the cup and handles are in now for the large caps. They weren't in for the large caps. It was all micro caps pumping off the very, 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 very bottom. Now we have micro caps exploding. And now we have large caps starting to take the cheese. They extract the money out of the market and then they redistribute it back into the smaller time frames. AVE, where are you going, AVE? Well, I think AVE goes all the way back up to $459. AVE out of the cup and handle, booming to the upside. Watch the 15-minute and the 1 hour. They need to pull back. Well, 1 hour's ready to rock. So this is what I like to do. Is I set an alert right here on the 15-minute, and then that's going to be your positional strength. So, ooh, Bitcoin crossing the trend line that I put out there. Remember, I said if it crosses this trend line, and bam, it's going to come up. And so, bam. Makes marijuana. Makes marijuana. I'm messing with y'all. I can turn a bad mood into a good mood any single day of the week. There's no such thing as a bad mood. There's no such thing. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and appreciate each and every one of you for being here and part of the live stream. AVE looking absolutely beautiful. And now my screens have turned black. Everything is collapsing on me. Got to make some decisions. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys. You just lost 95 viewers. A pump. 95 viewers. Wow. At once? No, I didn't. 190. A pump. Laughing my sheesh. Oh, maybe I said something. Oh, yeah. I just lost 95 viewers because of my voice. Yeah. Used to the little stand-up for AC for 5 years, but ours had a tube for a window. Then there's new little AC cubes called Arctic Air at Walmart. Good reviews on Amazon. Ah, thank you very much for telling me that. Won't say his name, no. Everyone watches Ian Bellina. He likes the King's Speech movie, LOL. Ian Bellina. Chat jokes don't work when he doesn't check chat till later. Just joke. No, I get it now. I get it. Do you hold any multivac? I hold a fat bag of multivac for sure. I hold a fat bag of multivac. Let's take a look at MTV before I jump on out of here. But I got to jump on out of here. I got some things I got to look at going on the day. And the screens both just turned black. Brand new laptop. Turns black while I'm live streaming. Happened 7 times now. Awesome. Awesome. Can they make a laptop that doesn't burn up? Please. Can they make a laptop that doesn't burn up? Yeah, be very careful, Summy. So 15-minute is high. Let's take a look at that 1 hour. 1 hour is high as well. So we're not ready yet. We're not ready yet. What's going on there? So look at this. We're going to run out of room here. Yes, we broke out. But what I see is this. That's what I see. And we're going to come back down to the bottom of the trend line one more time because we're oversold on both time frames. 15-minute and the 1 hour. So you got to play it the way it's supposed to be played, like that. That's going to be probably the sniper entry. Either there or there are going to be your sniper entries. At about 0.18 off of support. I mean, those will be the bounces back off support and resistance lines. All right. A multi-vac looking absolutely beautiful, though, for sure. Only a matter of time, and I am heavily invested in MTV. All right, everyone, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let's take a look at the BTC pump before I get out of here and see how high we are. 48,300 would be absolutely beautiful. 48,133. You saw the 33 as we entered the room, baby. As we entered the room, let's keep it moving. It is breaching trend line. I like to see it. Strong breach of the trend line. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Are you already? Yes, yes, yes. Candles are closing. We're getting a push up. Bitcoin pushing to the upside. Nice, 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 nice. 48,000. Beautiful. I told you it had to hold that 47,000 region, and I've been bullish ever since. Crypto Savvy just got stopped out, and I bet him a bunch of money that he would. Let's go over there and say, how's that stop feeling? You know what it is? I don't mean to troll YouTubers, but when you're online for years and you're saying nonsense to people for a long time and your TA is garbage, like another guy whose TA is not garbage got to call you out. Like, someone's got to call you out. Like, we can't all be good YouTuber streamers. We can't all be good technical analysts. Just because you got a logo and you call yourself a Bitcoin guy doesn't make you a good technical analyst. Like, I'm sorry. And so there's a lot of guys out here that claim to be technical analysts, but they're just not. They're not. They're just not. And they lead a lot of people down a dark road because I don't think they know what they're doing, you know? So, and Crypto Savvy's on my radar as one of those people right now, and I shouldn't call him out. And if someone calls me out, let it be known. Let it be known. We all should be getting called out by the other YouTubers because they're let me have to actually show that I've done something, you know. Anyway, maybe it was just the one time he was wrong. He pushed a short at 42.9. Why would you short 42.9 with everything I've been pointing out? Had he come to my channel, he never would have shorted that. That's what bothers me. Is he has his own channel. He has a Patreon. He's leading people to a, you know, he's another guy. Oh yeah, I'm in at this. He just got his whole team liquidated yet again, man. I'm so sick of these liquidated traders. They annoy me. It's about doing the work. What is your strategy? Can you teach your strategy? Do you even teach? If you can't teach, then how do you even know how to do your own thing? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, enough about, you know, it's all love for everybody. It is what it is. I still appreciate that he goes online every day, but I worry that he's going to lead a lot of people down the tubes. You know what I'm saying? And that just, it's not cool, man. It's not cool. It's not what you want to be doing. So right now, that's going to be your top for BTC. Guaranteed top. After that, you're going to see Bitcoin form a flag or a wedge right now and have to come and touch the 21-day moving average. That's what's about to happen. USDT pairs, everything will take a bit of a fall or a sideways move. But beautiful move for Bitcoin as we pumped about 48,300. But you know what, man? They've been doing all sorts of strange moves recently. We did crack above this line, so I'll take it so far, but I'm not fully set yet until we get that close above 49,000. And we get above this, see these two highs right here, this local high at 49,500. Until I get a candle, a daily close above this lane, above the zone, I'm not buying it. So I need a daily close above 49,500 for me to feel comfy and complete and ready to rock, all right? So weird, look, what is IOST? Now I want to type in how to search IOST YouTube, but you can't even do that. This is weird. It's like it hid it inside of YouTube. Look at this. See how it's on YouTube, but it's not? It's kind of weird. All right, everyone, thank you for coming on in. I appreciate you guys. You kicked it with me. 184 viewers, 193 viewers, though. Wow. Algorithm is kicking harder than it ever has. Uni pumping. I'm just watching and learning. Thank you, Lifer, as a really good... Thank you, Lifer, as you are really good at the TAing on the charts. Lifer, check Ethereum. It's going wild. It should be going wild. We'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance. I bet Bitcoin dominance is absolutely dumping. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. Because that is Ethereum. People don't realize that. You go over Bitcoin dominance, you're going over Ethereum. I want to put that on people. I want people to understand things of that nature. These are concepts. Wow, dominance going all the way down to 41.8 and collapsing. And, you know, we called the altcoin super cycle. We called it. Highly likely it was going to pump to the upside. We called this altcoin super cycle, my friends. We absolutely called it. And now it's getting busy. This is insane. Extremely oversold. And I showed you how the weekly is just getting started. The weekly is now curving to the downside. It occurred. We saw it up here, and I said, wow, well, the weekly's got to go down. Wow. Wow. I mean, we're going to come back down to 35. The alts are going to fly, my friends. The alts are going to fly. Bitcoin will go to 100K. All will be well. And if you hung out through the bear market, congratulations. You're kicking it with us. Let's take a look at Engine. I saw someone talking about Engine real quick. Engine USDT. Now the weekly chart coming up. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours looking absolutely beautiful. Nothing has changed with this call for Engine USDT to the upside. Engine about to do some serious damage. So another thing that happens when the computer closes, it remembers where this opened last, and then I can't access that window. You know what I'm saying? So if anyone's so this whole laptop just turns black. Turns black during the live. I don't know why. No idea. Turn black again. Huh? No, it's just it gets too hot. I don't know. I don't know what goes on. Is it like? Yeah, press a button. Maybe it wakes it up. I'm already like kind of done with the live, so if it's put me down, probably cut me out of the stream. I deal with so much stuff all the time. Everyone, guys, thank you for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Stop that. Stop that. You're like moving my mouse, man. All right, everyone. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video every single day. I go over the entire cryptocurrency market. We go over about 20 to 50 different altcoins. We show you where the market's moving. Is it going to DeFi? Is it going to NFTs? Is it going into cover protocol and insurance? Is it going into NFTs and gaming? And we watch the entire market. We look at NFT perp, BTC perp. We watch NFT space. We watch all the different ways of finding out where the money is moving in cryptocurrency. We look at on-chain data, on-chain analysis. Let's take a look at this too. Whale bot wrecked. It's going to show you who's getting wrecked, who's not. Are the shorts getting wrecked? This morning I woke up, shorts were getting absolutely killed. That's how I knew the market was actually getting ready for another big move to the upside. Let's take a look at SRK. You know, it kept falling down. To me, it's in a textbook cup and handle right now. Textbook cup and handle. Patrons, look out for this. I'm going to update you for these and a bunch of other cool trades. RUNE BTC looking pretty nice that we gave you. The Patrons, look at this thing doing damage. Up. Boom. RUNE BTC up 50% and going. And I see 144% gains for RUNE BTC. So just something to think about as well. Another call that we gave you, multiple calls on the channel hitting every single day. Every single day we hit more and more calls. Also, the Bitcoin hash rate is going to start raising up to the upside. It's only a matter of time until the hash rate starts to go up. Okay? With more and more miners and the price going up, the hash rate will go up. This is the hash rate. You're basically trading Bitcoin hash rate. And this is in a cup and handle as well. Highly likely to break up to the upside. Okay? Thank you guys so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Yeah, I know the screen behind me is black. There's nothing I can do. I can't control it anymore. Completely lost all data. You know what I'm saying? So that's what happened to me, man. That's what happened to me. Yep. Yeah. I think Airweave and Render will do good too. Airweave and Rendor. Interesting. Things are changing. Ethereum is pumping the market now. New leader. It really is. It really is. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. And remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3.